Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon for the all student in this classroom. We have discussed about the simple coding programming computer to the estimate the parameter, especially for the probability modeling. In the simple coding computer programming, we base on only the density function. We are not use the log likelihood function. Okay. We have know that the log likelihood function have the long formula for the mathematics formula. But if we only use the density function to find the log likelihood, we only give the minus summation logarithm natural density function. We have now, before we have the log likelihood function, the first we have the multiple density function until n random variable. We call the likelihood. After the likelihood, we must find the log likelihood by take the logarithm natural from the likelihood. So if you don't want to use the long formula for the log likelihood, we just enough using the minus some log density function. And then for this time, we will try to use the simple coding computer programming to solve the 5 probability modeling or the 5 density function in the one research article. Okay, let's check the research article. Okay, in this research article, we can find the 5 density function, namely generalized Gomfeld distribution. We gave the initial GGZ. And the second density function, modified Weibull distribution, we use the MW. Okay, you use it for the initial MW. And then third density function, Weibull extension, we use the initial WE. And fourth, we have the density function exponentiated exponential Poisson distribution. We use the initial EEP. And the fifth density function, generalized exponential extension, we use the initial DEE. In this research article, we only have the density function. We don't have the log likelihood in this research article. But we are lucky. We have discussed about this case. Okay? We have discussed. We have created the simple coding computer programming for this problem. Okay. We only base on a density function. We don't need the log likelihood. Okay. In this research article, we will try to using the data set. Okay. We using the data set in this research article. We are very lucky. In this research article, have the application to data set. So we will use this data set to produce the same result like this an article. In this article, we don't have the parameter, but we can produce the IC, KK information criterion, and we can produce the same figure. Okay, in the figure 5, we can comparison for the 5 the density function. Okay, for this we will open our R programming to create the sum result with this research article. Okay, we open our R programming. Okay, this is our R programming. This is the data in the research article. Okay, this is data set in this research article. So for the first model, we are trying to create the log likelihood coding, but you must remember we only use the summation logarithm natural. This is on density function for the GGZ. Okay, like I said before, we don't use the log likelihood function. We only use the density function, but we must remember we must use the sum log and make sure, don't forget, give the minus to make sure our programming can convergence. Okay, if you want to check, okay, this is one. Okay, this is only for the density function. Okay, and then after that we are use the optim with the initial value for parameter 1 theta parameter 1, m lambda for the parameter 2, then a alpha for the parameter 3. And then we try to using the produce the density function FGGZ with the x we change by xe. Okay. And then after that we find the ACGZ. Okay. And then the second density function we call the MW. Okay. In the log likelihood for the second density function, we are only use the minus summation log density function. Okay, we can check here. Or we only use the density function. We don't need the log likelihood function. Okay. Okay, we try to use it optim. Okay, you can find the parameter 1 for the alpha, parameter 2 for the beta, parameter 3 for the lambda. And then this one density function. Okay, and the third density function, we call that WE. Okay, this is one, the log likelihood function. We just use minus sum log and the density function only. We not use the log likelihood function. Okay, use optim. Lambda for the parameter 1, beta for parameter 2, and alpha for parameter 3. This is density function of WE. And this one for the IC of WE. And the fourth density function, we call it EEP. This is one is the log likelihood. We use a minus summation log the density function. Okay, we have the three parameter, parameter 1 alpha, parameter 2 beta, parameter 3 lambda, M for lambda. And this one density function for the EEP. And the last one density function or the fifth density function, we call it GEE. We use the log likelihood only by using minus sum log and then density function only. We don't use the log likelihood because log likelihood function need the long formula mathematics. Okay. After that, we have the density for GEE and this one for IC. Okay, after we create the simple programming, we run our programming. Okay, we run from the data, and then we run for the all density function. We run for the all density function, edit, run and selection, come to the console. Okay, you can check our programming, the all programming success running. Okay. For the check parameter, for example, like GEE or the fifth density function, we just type GEE, use small letter, GEE. Okay, this one, this is the parameter 1, this is parameter 2, and parameter 3. Okay, IC, GEE, key information. Okay, 180.8254. Okay, after we have run the 5 modeling or 5 density function, we can try check by the density function. we try to comparison the histogram of data with the 5 density function FGGI, FEEPI, FVI, FMYI, then FGGZI. Don't forget, we use I because we are using the XI data. XI data is mean the number starting to 0 until 2 multiple maximum data with the jump 0.01. It's mean in the density function line or the curve of the density function, we are use the XI, not X. XI is mean the number starting from 0 until 2 multiple maximum data with the jump 0.01. Okay, we can check our density plot. In the density plot, we try to give the information, the value of the IC for the each density function. Okay, so that why we run our density plot, and we can check here. Okay, we success produce the figure same with the recent article figure. We can check here. The red one is a GEE density function. The green one is a EEP density function. The blue one is the blue one for the WE, orange one for the MW, and for the red one GGZ with the IC. Okay, we can check here. The smallest IC is the best modeling. So we can conclude that GGZ is the best modeling for this data, because we know the IC is the lowest one, 177.371x. Okay, so our discussion for this time, we have concluded that we success run our program, especially for the estimate the parameter in the probability modeling based on the density function. Okay, in this program we create the log likelihood only by using minus sum log and the density function. We don't need the long formula in the log likelihood function. Okay, I hope our discussion today motivate to you to success to produce some research, especially when you are research about the probability modeling. You can use the coding in the Rado Institute. I think this enough for this time. See you again, Rado Yandra and Rado Institute. Assalamualaikum.